G'day, I'm Nat Tucker from Make It Look Easy, and I just want to show you a real quick one how having your top in your best face length is amazing, and it's even more amazing when it's in your best face shape neckline and in one of your best colors. Ta-da! That's what I'm wearing right now. Okay, so what I'm going to show you, you watch this. This is the perfect neckline for me. I have an angled face shape, so I suit an angled neckline. I also, this is my perfect length for my face, and it's in one of my best colors as a hair color type. Now, you watch what happens when I sneak this top back so that it becomes too high. You ready? Whoop. Okay, so now my head is no longer fluid with my body. I'm out of proportion. I haven't shown everyone the same lengths running down from my head, which is always deemed separate due to our hair and how big our head is. So this is now disconnecting my body from my head. Now you watch what happens when I pop that back to my exactly perfect. There we go. Now I have repeated my head length onto my chest, making my head be in proportion with my body, making everybody see me in a very seamless light. Isn't that amazing? I'm just going to show you again. I'm going to show you again. Ready? Okay, there we go. Head separate from my body. They're not working together at all. You are just staring at my head. And then you're just seeing a solid lump as my body. Then I get it to my perfect. There we go, right there, and I'm in proportion. It's amazing. If I go too low, it's just dragging me down, and this is why we put a necklace here to fix our proportion. So when our top is low, low, low like this, it's too much skin. It's too much skin. We've put our head and our body out of proportion again. So we fix that with a shorter necklace. Actually, I'm going to need my helper here. Hold on 1 second while I grab a necklace to show you. It's good when we get the props going first, isn't it? Could you please grab my shorter necklace for me? Thank you so much. So yeah, just to show you, I'll pop that on. Thank you very much. Here we go. Here we go. So I'll show you how this works. So this is going to put me back in proportion the other way. So this will be my second balance point. Number 2, there we go. So a lower neckline, the way to balance that is to put a necklace at your second balance point. So isn't that amazing? Let's see it again. So that's a low, so I've fixed it. And if I take this off with the low, you're going to see how all it is all skin. There we go, lost my proportion, put it back to perfect. There we go, perfect. And then too high, head cut off from the body. Isn't that cool to see? I love it. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye for now.